Right, keys. We're looking at cryptocurrency in the article by Kevin Dwyer, Crypto Basics, CoinMarketCap Alexandria. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. There's a big red mute button beneath this video. You want to click on the subscribe button so you get notified whenever we drop our awesome videos. So table of content is cryptocurrency legal in Canada, key regulations, and more. So as cryptocurrency and blockchain technology become increasingly important and popular, many Canadians are seeking to learn more about crypto and how they can get involved. Canada has not taken as many steps as it should. For example, the United States, when it comes to regulating and defining digital currency, nor have Canada's regulatory agencies found any strong reason to crack down on digital currency trading. They have instead adopted a fairly friendly stance towards them. So the Canadian government's page on crypto outlines its position on digital currencies and provides helpful tips for transacting and storing crypto. Like many countries, the government wants that citizens proceed at their own risk when purchasing BTC and other assets. So users of cryptocurrency generally lack access to any insurance or legal protection and must face the risk of fraud, cyber theft, price volatility, and head-on. So Canada has had some controversial movements with crypto. Famously, we have Quadriga CX, once Canada's largest crypto exchange, left investors without any means of accessing their funds after the company's CEO died in suspicious circumstances. However, Canadians usually purchase and trade crypto safely every day on reputable exchanges. Well-known developers such as Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin have paved the way for blockchain innovation in Canada. So these beginner's guide will cover legal and other aspects. So looking at the cryptocurrency, if it's legal in Canada, it says yes, crypto is completely legal in Canada. So the country provides little in the way of crypto regulation and hasn't made any moves to deter investors. So the Bank of Canada has ever explored issuing a digital currency via the central bank. So you can use digital currencies to buy goods, services on the internet and in-store that accept digital currencies. So you may also buy and sell digital currency on open exchanges called digital currency or cryptocurrency exchanges. An open exchange is similar to a stock exchange, government of Canada's website. So the key regulations is that in Canada, digital assets are primarily overseen by Canadian Securities Administrators (CSAs). Regulations are largely targeted at exchanges or entities that plan to launch initial coin offerings, ICOs, or open up shop for traders. So the key points about crypto regulatory and legal landscape in Canada. So one, cryptocurrency is completely legal in Canada. Canadian government has itself explored applications of blockchain technologies. Canadian Securities Administration CSA is the main regulatory organization overseeing crypto-related activities. So Canada implements strict anti-money laundering measures. Say crypto asset tax in Canada. So yes, cryptocurrency is taxed in Canada by the Canada Revenue Agency. So you want to note. So if you are paid in BTC or any other crypto asset, you will be subject to income tax on 100% of your salary. However, if crypto forms a part of your business activities, it will also be taxable. So you want to understand this concept. Now, taxes on miners is CRA has stipulated that cryptocurrency mining should be treated as a barter transaction. Miners hardware provide a service that they are rewarded for this. If mining operations form part of a business venture, the operator will be also required to pay tax on a 100% basis. Do businesses accept crypto in Canada? We have most businesses do accept cryptocurrency. We have Vancouver, Waves Coffee House, Steamrollers, Montreal, Balion, we have a Cafe Auncha, and over 100 others. Like Calgary, you have Sandman Hotel, Music Center, and more, which accept cryptocurrency payments. Where can you buy crypto in Canada? I say investors can purchase digital assets by setting up an account with a trusted exchange. Most popular United States based and international exchanges are available to Canadians, and there are excellent Canadian exchanges as well. So crypto in Canada, I said, and Canada offers investors the opportunity to invest in top cryptocurrencies like BTC and more. So Bitcoin in Canada, I said, as Bitcoin continues to rise, Canadian investors have the chance to purchase Bitcoin online or buying themselves. There are also Bitcoin ATMs in many large cities in Canada where investors can exchange Canadian dollars for BTC. However, these ATMs can charge FT transaction fees of between 5% and 10%. So guys, that's all we have on Canadian cryptocurrency news updates. Keys. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, one love, and Keys.